Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Yes, I am also fine. Okay. Today which subject we will learn? EVS. Which subject we will learn today? EVS. Okay. Today we will learn EVS. Okay. In which class you are? LKG. In which class you are? LKG. Okay. LKG. Which class? LKG. I am your EVS teacher. I am your EVS teacher. My name is Jyoti Panjri. My name is Jyoti Panjri. I am your EVS teacher. I am your EVS teacher. Who I am? I am your EVS teacher. Okay? Who I am? I am your EVS teacher. What is my name? What is my name? Jyoti Panjri. I am your teacher, EVS teacher. I am your EVS teacher. Okay? In which class you are? LKG. In which school you are studying? In which school you are studying? Gokuldas Public School. In which school you are studying? Gokuldas Public School. Okay? Today we will learn fruits. Today we will learn name of fruits. Today we will learn name of fruits. You eat fruit daily? Yes or no? Yes, you eat fruits. Okay. There are so many fruits. There are so many fruits. Today what we will learn? We will learn fruits name. What we will learn? Names of fruits. What we will learn today? Fruits. Name of fruits. Okay. Which fruit is this? Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Do you like mango? Do you like mango? Yes. Mango. I like mango very much. Which fruit is this? Mango. Repeat after me. Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Do you like mango? Yes. Do you like mango? Yes. I also like mango. Do you like mango? It is the king of fruits. Mango is the king of fruits. It is in yellow color. Mango is in yellow color. Which fruit is this? Mango. Mango. It is the king of fruit. Mango. M for mango. M for mango. It is yellow in color. It is yellow in color. Mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. It's come in summer season. It comes in summer season. When you eat mango in summer season. Okay. Mangoes come in summer season. It is yellow in color. It is yellow in color. And for mango. And for mango. Okay. Next fruit is banana. Next fruit is banana. Next fruit is banana. How you eat banana? You peel it. After that you eat banana. Yes. It is yellow in color. Banana is yellow in color. Banana is yellow in color. It is good for health. It banana? You like banana? Yes, I also like banana. Okay, which fruit is this? Banana. Yes, repeat after me. Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. It is yellow in color. It is yellow in color. We have to peel the cover of banana, then we eat. What we have to do? We have to peel the cover of banana and after that we eat. Which fruit is this? Banana. Which fruit is this? Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Which fruit is this? Banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. Okay, next, grapes. Do you like grapes? Look here. G for grapes. G for grapes. It is green in color. Which color? It is green in color. It is in bunch. Grapes come in bunch. Grapes come in a bunch. Okay. This is one mango, but grapes come in a bunch. G for grapes. G for grapes. Okay. It is green in color. It is green in color. What is the color of grapes? Green. G for green and G for grapes. G for green and G for grapes. That's why grapes is in green color. G for green color, G for grapes. That's why it is G for grapes and G for green. Okay. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Oh, next, orange. Which fruit is this? Orange. O for orange. O for orange. And what is the color of orange? Orange. That's why O for orange. O for orange color. It is a juicy food. Which fruit is this? Juicy fruit. Okay. O for orange. Repeat after me. Orange. Which fruit is this? Orange. Which fruit is this? Orange. What is the color of orange? Orange. What is the color of orange? Orange. Okay. The next fruit is, do you remember? What's come? A for apple. So which fruit is this? Apple. Which fruit is this? Apple. Okay. Which fruit is this? Apple. What is the color of apple? Red. What is the color of apple? Red. Daily we have to eat one apple a day. Okay. Daily we have to eat apple a day. Okay. Daily we have to eat apple a day. When we have to eat apple a day, so that we remain healthy. You have learned the poem. Apple keeps doctor away. Yes, so we have to eat apple a day. Daily we have to eat one apple a day. First we have to peel the cover of apple. Then we have to cut the apple in pieces and we eat. First we have to wash the apple. Don't forget to wash the apple. Okay. Whenever you eat fruits, you have to first we have to wash the fruits. Okay, whenever we eat any fruit, first we have to wash it properly. Okay, then we have to eat any food. Okay, so A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. What is the color of apple? Red. What is the color of apple? Red. Eat a apple a day. Okay, so that it's keep doctor away. Eat apple a day so that it keep doctor away. Okay, tell me, which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. It's come in summer season. Watermelon come in summer season. From outside it is green in color. From outside it is green in color. When we cut it, inside the color is red. When we cut this watermelon now, so inside the color of watermelon is red. And outside it is green in color. And outside it is green in color. Okay. How many fruits we have learned? Tell me. How many names fruits we have learned? Mango, banana, grapes, apple, watermelon. Okay. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. It's come in summer season. It's come in summer season. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Okay. Mango, banana, grapes, apple, watermelon. Okay. How many fruits we have learned? Mango, banana, grapes, apple, watermelon. Okay, watermelon is in green color. Outside it is green color and from inside it is red in color. And it has so many seeds. When you cut watermelon, inside there are so small seeds. Okay, so M for mango, B for banana, G for grapes, A for apple, W for watermelon. Okay, we have learned so many names of fruits. Okay, which fruit do you like? Tell me, which fruits do you like? I like mango. Okay, I like mango fruits. Which fruits do you like? Yes, tell me. Which fruit do you like? You like apple? Do you like mango? You like grapes? Yes. Then watermelon. Oh, you also like so many fruits. I like mango very much. Okay, now repeat after me. Names of fruits. Okay, mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Okay, which fruit is this? Banana. Repeat after me. Which fruit is this? Banana. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Apple. Which fruit is this? Apple. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. There are so many fruits are there. Pear. Okay, pear is there. Then Sapota. Chiku. Chiku we say sapota. It is brown in color. Then other fruits. Yes. Blueberry. Okay. Yes. Coconut. C for coconut. Coconut you have seen, na? It is also fruit. Coconut is also a fruit. Okay. We have learned name of so many fruits. So you remember all the name of the fruits? Yes. Okay. Mango, banana, grapes, watermelon, apple, sapota, then pear, yes, coconut, yes. Have you seen coconut? It is brown in color and inside it is white in color. Yes. Okay, tell me which fruit is this? Yes, tell me which fruit is this? Apple. Yes. Which fruit is this? Mango. Yes. Which fruit is this? Orange. Okay. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Very good. Which fruit is this? Banana. Yes. Okay. Now which fruit is this? Pineapple. This is pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Do you like to eat pineapple? Ah, I also like to eat pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Okay, this is pineapple. It is not like apple, but it is pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. P for pine apple. Okay, repeat after me. Pine apple. Pine apple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. It is yellow in green color. Okay, it is yellow and green color. It have leaves also. On pineapple, it has leaves also. Okay. Which is this? Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Okay. We have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strawberry, lychees. They are also fruits. Okay. Now which fruit is this? Pineapple. Okay. Mango, banana, grapes, apple, watermelon, pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Okay. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Oh, today we have learned so many names of fruits. Yes. Good. So good. Clap. Very good. Good children. Very good. Okay. Now what we will do? We will do some exercise based on fruits. Okay. What we will do? We will do some exercise based on fruits. Okay. We will make the picture and you have to circle the fruit. Okay. Let's see here. All of you see here at the board. Circle the same fruit. Okay. Circle the same fruit. Circle the same fruit. Okay. Look here all of you. You have to look at the board. Okay. Where you have to look? On the board. Okay. Here I will make one fruit. Do you remember which fruit is this? Yes, tell me. Which fruit is this? Yes, tell me which fruit is this? Mango. This is mango. Yes, this fruit is Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Very good. You're so good, children. Okay, which fruit is this? Mango. Then next, tell me, which fruit is this? Which fruit is this? Orange. This is orange. Which fruit is this? Orange. Okay. Which fruit is that? Orange. We have learned now O for orange. Very good. O for orange. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, which fruit is this? Yes, tell me, which fruit is this? At last I have told you na, which fruit is this? Yes, this is pineapple. This is pineapple. Very good. You are so good student. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Yes. P for pineapple. Very good. You are so good children. You remember all the fruits name. Yes, today we have learned mango, banana. Yes, we have learned mango, banana. Then pineapple, apple. The name of so many fruits. Okay. Now, which fruit is this? Mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. This is mango. This is same fruit. This is mango. No. Okay. Then left it. Okay. This is mango. This also. This same fruit is this. This is mango. Tell me. This is mango and this is also mango. They both are same. So what we will do? We will circle it. What we will do? We will circle it. This is also mango? No. This is apple. This is apple. Okay. Which fruit is this? Orange. Which fruit is this? Orange. Same fruit is this? This is also orange? No. Okay. This is orange. Same fruit is this? Orange, orange? No. This is apple. This is mango. This is apple. This is orange. Same fruit is this? Yes. So what we will do? We will circle the orange. Okay. We will circle the orange. Okay. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. Which fruit is this? Pineapple. So what? This is pineapple. Same fruit is this? Yes. So we will circle the pineapple. This is pineapple and this is also pineapple. So what we will do? We will circle it. This is pineapple. Look here. Same fruit is there. No. So we will not do any circle. Same fruit is this? No. So we will not do any circle. This is grapes and this is banana. This is grape and this is banana. So we will not do any circle. Okay? Understand all of you? This is mango. So we have circled the same fruit, mango. This is orange. So we have circled the same fruit, orange. This is pineapple. So we have circled the same fruit, pineapple. Okay. This is only for oral. You don't have to write this in your notebook. Okay. Only for oral. Okay. Only for oral. Okay. Today we have learned name of so many fruits. Okay. We have learned grapes. What we have learned? Grapes. G for grapes. G for green color. That's why we call G for grapes, because grapes is also in green color. And what is the taste of grapes? It is sour or sweet? It is sweet. Sweet. the taste of grapes is sweet. Okay. Okay. What is this? Is orange. O for orange. It is orange in color. Okay, it is orange in color. And we peel the cover of orange. Then we eat slice of orange. Okay. It is, what is the taste of orange? It is sour. It is the taste of orange is sour. Yes. Okay, you taste it and then tell to me. Okay. This is mango. M for mango. Okay. M for mango. Mango is in yellow color. It is a king of fruits. Mango, it's come in summer season. Okay, first we have to wash the mango, then we have to peel the mango, and after that we have to cut the mango, and after that we can eat mango. Apple, this is apple. A for apple. Okay, A for apple. It is red in color. Apple is red in color. So daily we have to eat apple a day so that it keep doctor away. Apple, apple, red apple, very very sweet. You want to sing rhyme with me? Okay. Apple, apple, red apple, very very sweet. Banana, banana, yellow banana, very very sweet. Mango, mango, yellow mango, very very sweet. Mango, mango, yellow mango, very very sweet. Grapes, grapes, green grapes, very very sweet. Grapes, grapes, green grapes, very very sweet. Okay, you have to eat fruits every day so that you remain healthy. Okay, so you have to revise all the name of the fruits at home. You have to, whatever fruits your parents bring at home, now you touch it, okay, and taste it. Then you tell me that which fruit you have eaten, okay, and what is the taste of the fruit. Okay, bye, have a nice day. Okay, look after yourself, be safe at your home. Bye.